much wind.
A little too much wind?
Yeah, it's enough I can get. Going sideways. Back up. Go in the middle. Back up. I want to go back into the wind. If I go in the back, kind of back into the wind, it's bringing it off the side.
Uh-huh. I'll notice it. I see what it's doing.
I got some good shots just coming up.
Maybe that's an auto-correction feature for the wind.
It is.
Max flight distance reached.
Oh, you can go further than that.
Max altitude reached.
Not if it tells you that. It tells you that, that's it.
How come I have a max distance of 1,279 feet?
Well, something's not wrong in your calibration then.
That's a good center, and I'll back it up.
Take some pictures. Are you over your properties? You may have to back the car up, and we may have to reposition where we're at.
These antennas are supposed to increase.
And what they're supposed to do and what they actually do are two different things.
Yeah.
Michael Leatherwood out here at KJ5IAI out here in Troy. September 18th, 2025 out here by his property out here. Taking some photos, aerial photos. Thursday, September 18th, 2025. Michael Leatherwood, KJ5IAI with his drone.